Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, if you are new here, please do consider subscribing, like and share this video. So on today's video, I'm not going to show you anything hair tutorial on how to melt down this lace. I'm going to show you only how I did this makeup, okay? And also, if you want to see a video how to install wigs like this, I'll link it up in this card at the right hand. And also, if you want to see how I did the bulk up method, you can check my last video, which I'm still going to link up in this card up here. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. In this channel we do everything wig install, live in China, everything lifestyle about Stecy Benz. So if you are a hair kind of person, this channel is for you. So with all further ado, let's go straight into the video.
Depuis longtemps, baby, won't you be mine? J'aimerais que tu saches que I'm falling for you. J'ai failli shoot.
So at this point, if you have watched any of my videos how to install a wig, a frontal wig, you will know that this time we were done melting it and it's time for our baby hair. I'm not going to waste more time showing you guys how to do baby hairs because I have tons of videos on my channel which I would like you all to go check after this video on how to install a wig and also do baby hairs. So we are not going to waste so much time on this. I'm going to fast forward this. I also have a detailed video showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. The method still remains the same, especially how to do the eyebrows with eyeliner, brown eyeliner. So you have to check that video too. I will link it up. If you follow my steps very well, you have something like this or something better than this. Like, rate my eyebrows, guys, rate my eyebrows. So right now I'm just using a white powder to kind of set the concealer from the eyebrows, and then I'll go ahead and use some red, brownish red eyeshadow. I'm not going to tell you guys anywhere where I got the eyeshadow because I can't even remember. I used this red eyeshadow on her eyelids, and then I'm going to go with a darker one at the edge of her eyes. Make sure whenever you apply anything on your client, make sure you blend it very well, or even on your eyes, make sure you blend it very well. Blend it to your satisfaction. Use smaller products and then you increase as you go. Right now I'm using my P. Louise eyeshadow base. First of all, since she has hooded eyes, I'll first of all put a little bit at the center of her eyes so that we can mark where we can do the cut crease. That is just something I got from the internet. I don't know wherever. So we are going to do our cut crease with our P. Louise eyeshadow base, and then we go ahead and apply our eyeshadow. I'm using a clean fluffy brush to tap on the eyeshadow base so that it should be matte. It should be matte, and then I'll go ahead and put a gold eyeshadow on where you see those white eyeshadow base. The eyeshadow base I use for this makeup look is from Jennifer on Wechat, the Chinese girl on Wechat. So you can ask her if you're in China. So after that, I added more darker shade at the edge of her eyes, and then I go ahead and added some glitter, gold glitter, to make it pop. So I will go ahead and clean her skin from the glitter that fell off on her skin, and then I will comb her eyes with my mascara, which I got on Taobao. You can get it anywhere. And then I'll go ahead and put her lashes and added some wings to give you that Instagram look. Sorry guys, I didn't notice my camera went off when I was doing her foundation, but at this point I had already finished with her foundation, and then I sprayed her the setting spray, and then I will go ahead and tap it so that it should blend more into her skin. When you finish doing the setting spray, just tap it on your skin. And then I had to comb her lower lashes and added some highlighter on the spots where you will see on the screen. I added some blush from this e.l.f. palette, and also went ahead and did her highlighters on her cheek, her lips, under her brows, and also on her nose to give her the pop 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 pop. Guys, I don't know if I should consider myself a makeup artist now. Look how the highlighters are so popping and everything. So after all this, I have to remove the hairband and all that, and then I'll use my contour stick to kind of blend the hair with her face to give that blend. Alright guys, so like I mentioned before, you have to check my other videos on how to wear your wig and all that, and also how to do your brows, and how to also do your baby hairs and all that. And then leave me, if you like if you like this look, please give me a thumbs up, like and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, give me a thumbs up, do everything good for me. If you're in Shanghai and you want to get yourself these things she got on her skin, you can inbox me on WeChat. My WeChat ID is stecybenz. Also, you can follow me on Snapchat, stecybenz. You can see my handles are all on the screen, so you can check me everywhere at stecybenz. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.